Hello everyone, welcome to episode 12 of how to make a Discord bot using Discord PY. I'm going to be showing you how to make a database with your bot. And it's also going to be changing prefix. So I'm making an account right now. Mongo plays. And then we're going to do my own password. This is my phone number. This is my job. This is what I do at my job. And then boom. Speed run. I just did a speed run. Dream speed run for logging into MongoDB. So now what we're going to do is we're going to press Python. Or you could skip, and then we're going to create a free cluster. Set it to North Virginia, then AWS, and then create cluster. Alright, so now while that's doing that, we're going to add a new database. No, never mind. Nope. So we're going to wait for these changes to deploy. I do not care, you three little dots. So this is my second retake of the video, and then I just had a massive mental breakdown when the recording got corrupted because I was so far into the video. But then OBS just went like, nope, you're not gonna finish this video. So now here I am. I'm trying to record this before I go busy, because I record these way early in the morning because I have time, and then I have to try and record this before I go busy. I really don't know what to do. While I do that, we're going to get our bot ready for this. So we're going to go into our terminal, and we're going to do py3-m pip install, and then we're going to use my package, Discord Mongo py. And then we're going to do py3-m pip install motor. And then we're going to do import Discord Mongo, import motor asyncio, and am I showing my good? And then we're going to wait. So if you guys want to add my bot, which is called BreadBot, link down in the description. I made him myself. He actually is open source. He has his code open to the world. It's on my GitHub, which is also linked down in the description. And I also don't like putting my tutorial code on GitHub because it's like I'm lazy, and it's just lazy. So yeah, so our MongoDB just finished. So we're going to press connect, press add allow access from anywhere, and then press add IP address. So what this does, it basically lets your cluster connect with your code from anywhere. We're going to do random username. I'm going to just make a password that all of you know, because this is a video and it can be on the internet, just like my token for my tutorial bot, and then my server got destroyed, but it's fine now. It's fine. I don't really care. So we're going to press connect your application. We're going to do driver Python version 3.4 or later, and then we're going to do and then we're going to copy it. Alright, so now we are going to go into here. We're going to scroll down to here, and then self.mongo equals motor.motor asyncio quotes, and then we're going to scroll back down here and then replace this password with our password. My password was 123456789 and I accidentally put self right here, put BC. Alright, so now bc.db equals bc.mongo, and then we gotta go back to Google. First of all, we need to change the network access, database access from Atlas admin to read and write any database. So now we're going to do clusters, and now we're going to go into collections, and then we're going to add a data where I'm going to name my database example. And then we're going to name the collection name prefixes. So, there. Now we got our stuff. So, now we're gonna go back to our code, and then bc.db equals bc.mongo example. And then bc.prefixes equals discordmongo.mongo, and then we're going to do collection name. Hold up, I forgot what I was supposed to put inside of the parentheses. I forgot what to do in my own package, because I have no idea what okay, so connection URL equals self.db. DB name equals prefixes. bc.db. So, there. Now we have our prefixes database ready. So now what we're going to do is we're going to make an async function for getting the prefix. Async def get prefix bc message, and then if it's not in a guild, then return commands dot when mentioned or. So what we're going to have right here, we're going to make bc.default prefix equals hashtag. This is our default prefix. When mentioned or bc.default prefix. And then we're going to have BC message. And then what we're going to do equal try data equals await bc.prefixes dot find message dot guild dot ID. If not data or prefix not in data, return commands dot when mentioned or bc dot default prefix bc comma message. And then we can do return commands dot when. I'm gonna explain all this in a second once we finish this. So data prefix bc message except return commands dot when mentioned or bc dot default prefix, and then so what this basically does, if the message is not in a server, then it just returns the default prefix, and then it searches the database for all the prefixes. It searches for the guild's prefix, the server's prefix. If there's nothing, if there's no data, or if there is data but there's no prefix in the data, then it returns the default prefix. Otherwise, it just returns the prefix that was set. If there was an error, then it just returns the default prefix. And then for command prefix, we do get prefix without a parentheses. So now what we're going to do is we're going to basically have some new stuff. So we're going to make config.py, make a new cog. So we're going to do import discord from discord.ext, import commands, class config commands.cog def __ init self bc self.bc equals bc. Alright, so now what we're going to do is we're going to make a commands.command async def at commands.has permissions. Maybe I'm gonna have it manage guild equals true. So now async def prefix self bc self ctx prefix equals none. If prefix is none, return await ctx.send. Alright, so now what we're going to do, what I'm going to do is, data equals await self.bc prefixes.find ctx.guild.id if data is none or prefix not in data, then data equals, and then we're going to, you need underscore ID or else my database is going to raise an error if you don't pass an ID. So the ID needs to be the guild ID. I mean, the ID can be anything, but I prefer ctx.guild.id since there can only be one of those. So now prefix is prefix. And then we're going to do data prefix equals prefix. And then we're going to update those changes. Await self.bc.prefixes.upsert data. And then await ctx.send. I have changed the servers, did not want to do that. Servers prefix to dot format prefix. So what you can do with this, you can basically just have an empty thing without empty brackets without an F string, and then after that you could put dot format prefix. So now what we're going to do is we're going to have delete prefix. So this one's going to be a little bit different. Alright, so now what we're going to do is we're going to have delete prefix at commands.command at commands.has permissions manage guild equals true. And then alright, so now what we're going to have to do is async def delete prefix, and then we're going to set an alias for this. Aliases equals dp. Delete prefix for short, ctx. Await self.bc.prefixes.unset. Underscore ID ctx.guild.id. Prefix is 1. And then await ctx.send. The server's prefix has been set to default. There. Now if we, forgot to add a setup function, def setup bc.add cog config bc. So now we're going to go into the main file. We're going to run this real quick. And then we forgot to do something because I am small brain. I have peanut brain. I'm trying to figure out what I did wrong with my caveman brain. Module object is not callable. Oh, I forgot that, I forgot something. Motor asyncio dot asyncio motor client, like that. Now, if we actually run this, it should work. Also, did I forget to mention, we have to go here, and then we have to go to database access. You have to edit. It has to be read and write any database, or else your bot will time out and your bot will be slow as freak. So, now we're going to test in Discord. As you can see, the bot is online if I do a simple ping command. Alright, so now we're going to do prefix ASDF. And then ASDF ping. Boom! We have changeable prefix and a database. Next episode will be timed mute command. So be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell if you don't want to miss that. And then episode 14 will be a giveaway command. It might be multiple parts. So, yeah. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. Go subscribe to me if you want to see more. And you can join my Discord server, link down in the description. And I'll see you all later. Goodbye.